Hello and welcome. My name is Nikki Cottom, and I'm here to help you through your enrollment process today. Now, there are amazing benefits of a doTERRA membership. You get the doTERRA products at the wholesale price for only $35 or free if you purchase a kit. Now, this membership is going to give you 25% off all products, which is incredible. And not only that, but when you decide to invest more in your health by getting products on a monthly basis, if you go that route, you'll also get 10 to 30% rebates on everything you purchase. So it's incredible, incredible, this journey with you today. So I'm going to take you on this journey. I'm going to show you how to set up your wholesale membership account, and you are going to love, love, love this brand new opportunity of getting your own doTERRA membership. There are so many benefits through the roof, and I'm really excited to share those benefits with you today. All right, so if you look at the screen that I'm sharing with you, you'll go to a website like this. This is mine. You're welcome to use my link if you would like, or use the link of the person who is enrolling you personally. Here's mine, so feel free to use it. my.doterra.com/Nikki Cottom. And you'll be able to come to a page like this. Now, if you just click shop, you're going to get the real retail price, which is what you frankly want a membership for, so you can avoid the retail price. The retail price is still amazing, but you want the wholesale membership. And so you'll become a member. It's kind of like a Costco or a Sam's Club membership. Once you have it, you get 25% off on all doTERRA products. So how incredible is this? doTERRA products are by far the most incredible wellness products I have ever had the privilege of receiving. And I cannot imagine a day without the toothpaste, without the hair glaze, without the foaming hand soap, without the essential oils, the vitamins that keep me going. These are incredible products you are not going to want to miss out on. So there are two options, the wholesale customer and the wellness advocate. Now it's both. It still costs $35 for the membership. Either way, either membership you get. And the benefits are pretty similar across the board. There's just a few additional benefits. So with the wholesale customer and the wellness advocate memberships, in both cases, you get the 25% off on everything. You also get loyalty rewards points, like 10 to 30% of your overall order. You can get back in rebates just by placing orders on a monthly basis. So that is something you can opt into, that loyalty reward program, and you can get those points month after month. You can accrue them, save them up for big orders, or you can use them every month and just keep enjoying the benefits of getting those free products on a monthly basis. It's so nice. All right, you also get shipping reward points. So even though doTERRA can't offer free shipping yet, you are still able to get everything you spend on shipping is reimbursed to you. So every dollar you spend, you get one PV, and you can add those PV up and spend them on for products for free, which is also amazing. So it's basically just like getting your shipping free, but you're getting those points. All right. So you also get, if you purchase monthly orders of 125 PV or more, you get a free product every month just for being a loyal customer, which I love that. When I first started doTERRA, I said, this is going to be my investment in my health. So I'm going to do this on a monthly basis, take care of me, all the self-care I need, my vitamins, my oils, my emotional supports, all of these things and all these wellness products that I need. So I get this free product every month, and it is amazing, amazing stuff, an amazing way to introduce you to new things that maybe you never would have used otherwise. So it's great. All right. The additional benefits of having a wellness advocate account versus a wholesale customer account is that if you plan on sharing essential oils with people and you can't keep your mouth shut like me, I would totally advocate, getting a wellness advocate account, because you'll also get a personal website and link for people to join and get additional benefits that way. You can also get bonuses and compensation for allowing other people to get their memberships through you. So you get financially compensated for that. So we'll talk about that in a little bit. But go with your gut. If you think you're going to share, maybe you'll share these with the oils with people, or the doTERRA memberships with people. Pick the Wellness Advocate one. But if you're thinking at this point you're just going to use them for you and nothing else, pick the Wholesale Customer. You can't go wrong. You can always upgrade and downgrade for free, because like I said, they're the same price either way. So we are going to go ahead and click on Wellness Advocate. You can click Wholesale Customer if you want on your account, and you'll be brought to a screen here where you'll fill out this information about you so doTERRA can ship you the products, and you can get notified of the promotions coming up and all of that good stuff. And we're notified when your order's shipped. So the only thing that I'm going to highlight here in this box down here is the Social Security information. If you're going with the Wellness Advocate stuff, put that in there, because you're going to want to get those compensation benefits. Now, if you clicked Wholesale Customer, you're not going to see that there. But you can always upgrade and put in your social when you're ready. But like I did, I just put mine in there because I'm like, I know I'm going to share the oils with people, so I'm going to get started right away and not miss out on any of those benefits. All right, so then you're going to come to a page after you click submit and all the information is good. You're going to click on whichever starter kit you want to go with. Now, I'll say the Every Oil Kit and the Diamond Kit are incredible if you're like, I'm ready right now to put the money down to totally vamp up my health in a way that I've never done before. If you're not at a place where you can do that right now, I will have to say the Natural Solutions Kit is the most popular kit, because you get a diffuser, you get a box for your oils, you get vitamins, you get all the basic products. And there are other options. There's a Home Essentials, the Family Essentials, the Emotional Aromatherapy Diffused Kit, and the Aroma Touch Diffused Kit, which come with those last two come with diffusers as well. And then there are some smaller kits. So depending on what you want. If you don't know what you want, or you just want to get the $35 membership today, then you can just go ahead and bypass that and just select shop single oils. And you can always go to your cart after that and just check out. All right, so here we are looking at these. If you want to see a kit enlarged, click on the image and you'll be able to see that. Or you can also click individual products if you're not quite ready to get a kit. But like I said, when you get the kit, you get the membership for free. So it saves you a ton of money. All right. So here's an enlargement of that one kit I was looking at, all the things it comes with. So many products for $550. I love that kit. All right. So you can go from here, you can go to single oils if you just want to click on, so like up here, if you click individual products, you can come here and click which products you want. Or if you are like, no, I just want the $35 membership, you can just click shopping bag and check out. All right, but you can click on single oils and learn more about them and see the benefits. Or if you know what you want and you just want to enter it in, then go to your shopping cart and you'll want to see that where that's circled. It says quick add by item number or name. So for example, if I know I want frankincense, I'm going to type frankincense in there. It will create a pull down option and I'll click frankincense and we'll add it to my cart. Once you're ready, you'll see on the right hand side, if you just get the membership, it's the $35, okay? You'll see down here estimated shipping points earned, that's 4, all right? So each oil, for example, like lemon, if it's a $10 oil, you're going to see that it's also worth 10 PV, all right? So when you look down here and you say 4 PV, you could actually purchase a lemon after 3 times of placing an order because of even just the shipping points. But if you place orders regularly, you'll also get those additional rebates a 10 to 30%. You'll start with 10, and as you order monthly, it will go up and up to 30%. So you'll get the 30% after a year, or 10% starting with, and plus that $4 shipping points, or if you want to check a box that has shipping for more, so for expedited shipping or whatever, you'll get those additional points if you spend more. So that's a benefit. So it's basically like free shipping. All right, so then you're going to fill out this additional stuff, and like I have here, economy 4 PV, standard $7. You're going to get those shipping points based on what shipping method you use. All right, you're going to fill out the credit card information, fill that out, click I'm not a robot, click continue. And you will be able to have one more page where you'll see everything and just confirm it. Once you confirm it, you'll see this. Thank you. Your order has been received. You're on your way to a healthier you. It will tell you your order number. It will tell you your membership number. Now I have this circled. Your membership number that shows up, you'll also get in an email. And that number you will use to get back into your doTERRA account with that ID number, and then the password you created when you were filling out that basic information for you. All right, so you'll go be able to use this at doTERRA.com and put in this number plus your password, and you'll be well on your way. So when you get that, you can go to doTERRA.com. You'll click here, account, and sign in there. So thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, this is incredible, an incredible journey. So I like to think of joining doTERRA like opening a door to a whole world of wellness that maybe you had no idea existed. I had no idea my health could be this good. Before I started doTERRA, I was young, but I was feeling old. And I had so many issues, mental, emotional, physical, just trying to stay afloat. I felt like every day it was like I could be swimming hard or I could be sinking. When I joined doTERRA and started enrolling in these wellness programs, monthly ordering, so that I would have that motivation to invest in myself, which was the best investment, hands down, I've ever made. As far as my wellness and my health, I decided to enroll in that, and that was such a smart decision. So I encourage you to do that as well. Take advantage of your health. And the reason I'm so excited about this is my purpose and my mission is to help people to become the people that God intends them to be. So for you, God intends you to be amazing, incredible, such an incredible, amazing person out there with so much potential to bless the lives of all around you. And if your health is not doing great, you're not going to be able to do that. So I'm really excited for you to have doTERRA to help you on that journey, to get you started in being the best version of you that is possible in this world. So thank you so much for joining with me. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for a bunch more amazing videos, and you have a wonderful